In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Elevenlabs account. To get started, open Elevenlabs and sign into your account. Make sure you are fully logged in before moving on, since the option to remove your account is only available from inside your account settings. If you have trouble finding the right area, don't worry. This process is very straightforward once you are inside the dashboard. After logging in, look for your profile icon, depending on the version of the site you are using. You may find it in the top right corner or in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on that profile icon and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account details and preferences. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down until you find the option related to deleting your account. Look for Delete Account next to the option to delete the entire account. Then click it. This will open a confirmation window. At this stage, the platform will ask you to enter your account email address to confirm that you really want to continue. Type in the email associated with the account carefully, since this step is used as a security check to prevent accidental deletion. After entering your email, click Delete Account to permanently remove your data. It's important to understand that this action is intended to be permanent, so before confirming, make sure you no longer need anything stored in the account. If there is any content, history, or settings you may want later, take a moment to review that before completing the deletion. Also keep in mind that you cannot delete your account if you still have an active subscription or any outstanding payments on the account. If the delete option does not work, or if you see a warning message, you will need to cancel the subscription and resolve any unpaid balance first. Once that's taken care of, you should be able to come back and repeat the same steps. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.